Now the next topic that we have to deal with is called as the search for a national art. And in this we have to look at a great painter named Raja Ravi Varma. Raja Ravi Varma is called as Raja because he belonged to the Maharaja family of Travancore. He in fact believed that if the Indian paintings have to be given a lift, if they have to be made more real, if they have to be given a true style, then the subjects should remain Indian, but the style of painting should be adopted of the Western style. Because he believed that the Western style of painting had become more developed and advanced, and it was good for the Indians to adopt their style of painting. That is why he laid lot of stress on the oil paintings, and all his paintings had the subject as Indian mythology. And he painted scenes from Ramayana, from Mahabharata, and all of them were actually in fact oil paintings. Those were the great works of Raja Ravi Varma. That is the mixture of the Indian and the European style of painting. He started with the picture production team and the press on the outskirts of Bombay when the demand of this style of painting became more in the country. But there were certain people who opposed the idea of Raja Ravi Varma. They had a different vision. They believed that the true national painting art cannot be what Raja Ravi Varma was painting. And their different vision, new vision, was carried popularly by Abindranath Tagore, the nephew of great Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore. He laid stress that the subject, the style, everything has to be Indian if it is a true national art. Therefore, he laid stress on the miniature style of painting of the Rajputs, of the mural paintings of Ajanta, and he said that the true national art comes forward with the subject and the style being Indian. He was influenced by the Japanese artists also who came at this time, and he adopted various things from them also. The paintings which have been shown in your book about the vision that we have, the new one of Abindranath Tagore, clearly depicts that it is a mixture of the Rajput miniature, mural of the Ajanta caves and of the Japanese style. So there were a lot of controversies, debates, discussions as to what is the real true national art of India. It was there at that time and it is continuing even today as to what exactly can be called as the true national art of India. And that was all about your chapter. Thank you.